I know how to put this bloody radio to connect the blue Instagram thing. Can you quickly do it? Are you winning? No, Susan, we don't need maps. I know where we're going. We're gonna go left on southbound, then go right on the Quagga Smith Pass. You fucking liar. Okay. Now I know how to multitask. I can see the road. Come on, guys. Get off your phones a bit back there. When I was your age, I wasn't even allowed to look out of the window for too long. Yay! Are you winning? Guys, did you guys know? Your dad was up at 4 a.m. this morning. Yeah. And what were you guys busy doing? Sleeping while I was packing the car. Julle, ons gaan nou in winkels toe, hoor. Ek wil nie 'n sweet of 'n toy of iets soos dit nie. Hoor julle vir my? And back on the road we go, boys. Let's go. You guys are going on like Sasha now. Very windgat. Very windgat. Did you guys hear? What's the car making the sound? Jy frikkie. Nee, lank terug gepraat. Hoor hierson? Ek is nou in 'n bietjie van 'n ding. Wait, 6, 7